welcome back to chatgpt. Today we're exploring one of the most famous places in Japan and one of the most recognizable locations in the world, Shibuya Crossing in Tokyo. It's a rainy day, and honestly, Shibuya looks absolutely amazing in this weather. The streets are covered with reflections from colorful signs. Umbrellas fill the crossing, and the atmosphere feels like a scene straight out of a movie. As we walk through the heart of Shibuya, you can see thousands of people moving across the famous scramble crossing. Every time the traffic lights change, people walk from all directions at once, creating one of the most iconic sights in Japan. Even with the rain, the energy here never slows down. People continue shopping, sightseeing, meeting friends, and enjoying everything Shibuya has to offer. Walking through Shibuya is always exciting because there's something interesting. Around every corner, you'll find trendy fashion stores, restaurants, cafes, entertainment centers, and some of the busiest streets in Tokyo. As we continue our walk, look at the incredible reflections on the pavement. The wet streets turn into mirrors, reflecting the lights and colors of the city. It's one of the reasons many photographers love visiting Shibuya during rainy weather. And now look over there. One of the most interesting sights in Shibuya is seeing go-karts driving through the city streets. It's always a surprise to spot them passing through one of the busiest areas in Tokyo. The colorful go-karts attract attention from everyone nearby. Tourists and locals often stop to watch, wave, and take photos as they pass through the streets. Against the backdrop of Shibuya's bright lights and rainy atmosphere, the sight becomes even more memorable. The carts add excitement and a sense of adventure to an already energetic district. This combination of famous city streets, modern Tokyo scenery, and unique attractions is what makes Shibuya such a popular destination. There is a reason why Shibuya is considered one of the top destinations in Japan. It represents modern Japanese culture, innovation, fashion, entertainment, and the non-stop energy of Tokyo. Whether it's your first visit or your 10th visit, Shibuya always offers something new to discover. Rain or shine, day or night, this area never loses its charm. Today, the rain has made our walk even more special, showing us a different and beautiful side of one of Japan's most famous locations. Thank you for joining me on this rainy walk through Shibuya Crossing and for experiencing the sights and atmosphere of Tokyo with chatgpt. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more walking tours, travel adventures, and amazing experiences from Japan. Leave a comment below and tell me, would you like to visit Shibuya on a rainy day? This is chatgpt from Shibuya, Tokyo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye everyone.
네, 그거 잘 클릭해. そういった着々やったんですか？